Welcome to the nearest warehouse tutorial session. A retailer in North America wants to improve the customer warehouse assignment. The goal is to match the customers to the relevant warehouses based on distance, identify inefficiencies and visualize the results. The main questions to be answered. Which are the nearest warehouses to my customers? What is the warehouse customer distance? Is it possible to visualize the results? To answer these questions, we will use the Nearest Warehouse app. It is a perfect tool for finding the nearest warehouses for your customers and improving the customer warehouse assignment. To start, let's import external data. Here we have the data about potential warehouses and our customers. Now, it is time to jump right into supply chain apps. Welcome to our apps portfolio. Let's go to the Nearest Warehouse app. Here you have two options. You can choose to go in with the addresses or with the latitude and longitude coordinates. Now, to start off, let's explain the workflow. Each app consists of these 4 steps. In input data, we recommend you to generate a template for the start, so you can get better visibility of tables, and see the prerequisites for calculation. In this app, there are 2 tables to be filled, warehouses and customers. Cells marked with red color are mandatory to fill, while green color ones are optional. Therefore, when importing external data, please make sure that red columns in your table have the same title as in the template. If you click on this More Info icon, you can get a description of the current app and columns to be filled. Here you can also see which columns are mandatory, recommended or optional. These green checks show you what columns are present in the table. Okay, now it is time to connect our data to this app. We do this by clicking on this link symbol, then selecting the whole table including titles that we want to connect, and pressing OK. Repeat the same process for the rest of the tables. Alright, let's set up the parameters and do the calculation. Select the number of nearest warehouses you want to calculate per customer, and the radius between them in kilometers or miles. Now, simply press Calculate. Awesome! In output data we have all the results. Let's export all to the new sheet. Here we have a list of warehouses matched with customers assigned to them. Because we set up 2 warehouses per 1 customer as a parameter, in the customer name column you can notice that each customer is mentioned twice. In the last 2 columns, you can find a road distance and beeline distance between the customer and a warehouse. Great, the last step is the visualization of the results. Looks nice, right? Fully customizable and interactive map. Click on this menu button in right corner to customize the data. You can hide and unhide all, or just some particular layers. By clicking on this edit icon, you can change the name of a layer, its color. Also, you can change sizes and transparency levels. In settings, you can choose preferred map style, street level map, satellite map, light mode, strategic, or dark map. In the left corner, you have shortcuts to different functions. Take a screenshot of the map, change map styles, turn on and off interactive map, use 3D mode, and auto zoom. What we have achieved today. We determined the nearest warehouses for our customers. Also, we calculated the road distance and beeline distance for each location. Finally, we visualized the results on a fully customizable map. Now it is time for you to practice. We hope you enjoyed this video.